How to make WhatsApp birthday status with song. First, open your WhatsApp app. At the bottom, tap on Updates. Now tap on Add Status. Select a photo from your gallery. Then tap on Music icon at the top. WhatsApp will show you a list of available music. You can pick from the list. Tap on the arrow button beside the music. Now select the 15-second portion you like. You can also change the music style. When you are set, tap on Done at the top. Tap on the sticker icon at the top and search for the birthday sticker. When you are done, tap on the green Send button at the bottom. Your WhatsApp birthday status with song will be posted shortly. And that's it. This is how you can make WhatsApp birthday status with song.